सीजन। तो देखो क्या है, बारिश, इट्स रेनिंग राइट। सो हम आज रेन में राइम्स करेंगे। सो शैल वी स्टार्ट। रेन ऑन अ ग्रीन ग्रास, रेन ऑन द ग्रीन ग्रास, रेन ऑन द ट्री। आपको दिख रहा है रेन में ट्री पे? रेन ऑन द ट्री, रेन ऑन अ हाउस टॉप। देखा आपने, हाउस टॉप के ऊपर भी रेन गिर रहा है। रेन ऑन द हाउस टॉप बट नॉट ऑन मी। मेरे पे तो नहीं गिर रहा। ओके, नाउ डू इट। रेन ऑन अ ग्रीन ग्रास, रेन ऑन अ ट्री, रेन ऑन द हाउस टॉप but not on me. Now we do it with action. Okay, so sing and action with me. Okay, rain on a green grass, rain on a tree, rain on a green grass, rain on a tree, rain on a house top but not on me, but not on me. So kids, what did we learn yesterday? Yesterday we learned a fine motor skill activity, sand tracing. Sand tracing in sleeping line. Left to right, left to right. And now today we do a activity on gross motor skill. So let's go. So this is a table. This is a table. There are two tables. 1, 2. And this is a sellotape. This is a sellotape. And there are different type of colorful balls like green, pink, yellow. So shall we start our activity? So first of all, we take a one ball and stick on sellotape. Now we take another ball. Which color of ball is this? Pink color. And we stick in sellotape. Now we take another ball. Which color is this? Yellow color. And we stick in sellotape. Now we take another ball and we stick in sellotape. Okay, now in another row we stick a ball in sellotape like this. Another ball we stick in sellotape like this. In sleeping line, we stick a ball in sleeping line. We stick a ball in sleeping line. So how we stick? First left to right and right to left. So this activity's name is stick the ball in gross motor skill. So let's do it again. A ball in sleeping line. तो देखा आपने कितने अच्छे लग रहे हैं ये कलरफुल बॉल्स। तो आप ये एक्टिविटी आपके घर पे भी कर सकते हो राइट। और आपसे जो भी बॉल नीचे गिरे हो उसे क्या करना है, उठाना है और लगाना है। castle. Right? So let's do it again this activity. So first take a ball, left to right in sleeping line. Our gross motor skill activity. Left to right in sleeping line. Left to right in sleeping line. We take all pink color balls and we stick in a tape. And now we take a green color balls and we stick in a tape. Kids, let's quick recall. So what did we do yesterday? Yesterday we do in textbook page number 2. Page number 2. What will we do? Sleeping line. We do a sleeping line. Anna and her friend help Anna and her friends reach their favorite things. Anna and their friends. Anna और उसके फ्रेंड्स को हमने क्या किया था कल? उनकी फेवरेट थिंग्स तक पहुंचाया था. तो ये था हमारा कल का क्लास वर्क. और आज का क्लास वर्क होगा हमारा वर्कशीट में. So this is our worksheet. This is our English worksheet. Take out page number 3. Sleeping line page. So let's paint the car with the color from the bucket. Let's paint the car. मतलब हमें कार को क्या करना है? पेंट करना है. फ्रॉम द कलर फ्रॉम द बकेट. कलर कहाँ है? बकेट में है. तो हमें क्या करना है? लेट्स पेंट द कार. कार को पेंट करना है किसमें? बकेट से. बाय ट्रेसिंग द स्लीपिंग लाइन. बाय ट्रेसिंग द स्लीपिंग लाइन. कैसे करना है हमें? ट्रेसिंग स्लीपिंग लाइन को ट्रेस करके हमें कार को पेंट करना है. सो लेट्स डू इट ऑन बोर्ड. So our today's class work in worksheet, class work. CW means class work. So first of all, sleeping line. And now what we do first? Are you all happy today? So we make a happy face. Happy. So how many cars are there? There are 4 cars. So let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cars and 4 buckets. 4 cars and 4 buckets. Which color car is this? Yellow color. Which color car is this? Pink color. Which color car is this? Blue color. Green color. Which color car is this? Blue color. So now I take a chalk here. I take a colorful chalk here. But आपको क्या लेना है? Crayons. क्या लेना है? Crayons. So how we hold the crayons? Between a 2 finger and hold with thumb, right? Take a different type of crayon. So which color car is this? Yellow color. So we take a yellow color and left to right sleeping line. We do a slowly. Sleeping line. आपको मेरे साथ बोलना है, okay? Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line, sleeping line. So our first yellow color card is done. And now, which color card is this? Pink color. So take a pink color and sleeping line. Left to right, we trace the line. Which line we trace? Sleeping line. हम कौन सी लाइन ट्रेस कर रहे हैं अभी? Sleeping line. Now do it again. Sleeping line. Now our second card is done. Now which color card is this? Green color. Which color card is this? Green color. So trace left to right, sleeping line, sleeping line. Slowly, slowly, left to right, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. So our third green color card is also done. So now the last card is in blue color. So let's trace it. Left to right, sleeping line. Slowly, slowly. How we do? Slowly, slowly. Left to right, sleeping line. Left to right, sleeping line. And our class work is done. How many cards are there? There are 4 cards and 4 buckets, and we paint the card by tracing the lines. So our class work is done. So this is our class work जो मैंने अभी आपको बोर्ड पे समझाया. एंड दिस इज अवर होमवर्क. होमवर्क मतलब जो आपको घर पे करना है. ओके तो ये है आपका फर्स्ट होमवर्क, राइट. सो आपको क्या करना है? ट्रेस द स्लीपिंग लाइन. व्हाट वी डू? ट्रेस द स्लीपिंग लाइन. सो वी टेक अ डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ crayons. We take a different type of colors. And how we hold the colors? We hold like between 2 fingers and 1 thumb, left to right. Sleeping line, sleeping line. Now we take another color for another box. We take a red color. Which color is this? Red. Which color is this? Red. Sleeping line, left to right, sleeping line. Now yellow color, where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? So which color is this? Yellow color. So how we trace the line? Left to right side, sleeping line, sleeping line. Now we take another color. We take a orange color. Which color is this? Orange color. Sleeping line, sleeping line. Now we take another color and do it again. Sleeping line, sleeping line. Now we take a blue color. Sleeping line, sleeping line. Now brown color. अच्छा ब्राउन कलर से क्या आता है? ब्राउन कलर से कौन सी थिंग आती है? चॉकलेट, राइट. Now green color. And our last color is purple, last but not the least. And our homework is done. तो आपको ऐसे होमवर्क करना है अपने घर पे डिफरेंट कलर्स को लेके. थैंक यू.